Hi students, public administration means government in action, government in execution. This is the basic simple definition of public administration. But at the same time, what is the relation between public administration and the state? State is an important. Without state we are not there. India is a state, USA is a state, France is a state, Bangladesh is a state. State means a country. Political thinkers generally say that state is one of the basis for any society, including public administrators, sociologists and all. Why I am saying political scientist means majority of discussions, articles, books etc. on the state are written by the political scientists. Now, what is state? According to the simple meaning or a simple definition and explanation, state is going to have four important elements. The four important elements, first is the people, second is about place, third is about government, fourth is about sovereignty. Along with these four elements, another important fifth element is institutions. What are the institutions? Educational institution, your university is in one institution, maintained by a particular authority, a vice chancellor, an executive council, a senate, a written act amended by government, governor as a chancellor. All these things, it is an institution controlled by a elected government assembly or a parliament. You have a central universities controlled by central government, state universities controlled by state governments, private universities controlled by the private systems. You have a hospitals, hospitals is an institution. You have a public service commissions is an institutions. You have a municipality which taking care of your daily needs is an institution. All these are institutions also working in government. Public administration is how the activity of government is there. The public administration as a discipline was identified only in 1887 by Woodrow Wilson. Woodrow Wilson, it was a MA final year student, he wrote an article. First he has given a 3 drafts and finally he has given the study of administration. The study of administration was published in the Political Science Quarterly at the time. In that he raised some fundamental questions. Differences between the politics and administration. By the 1900, the important aspect has come, Goodnow. Goodnow said politics and administration two different issues. It has to be separated. 1927, L.D. White, he has written a book, The Introduction to the Study of Public Administration. He wrote simply the systems are important, like budgeting is important, personnel is important, working methods are important, rules and regulations are important. This is where public administration means the study of organizations and functioning of organizations. Later about Willoughby, he called about the principles of administration. By 1937, another important aspect has arisen, the papers on science of administration edited by the Luther Gulick and Lyndall Warwick. Then it has this time has taken 1937-38, again Chester Bernard, the functions of executive is another important book has come. From there Herbert Simon, in 1945 his book of administrative behavior has come. Abraham Maslow's motivation theories and XY theory of McGregor, 2-factor theory of Hertzberg. New public administration which started about in the 1968 and so later. Minnow-Brook school we call it, has continued for the 3 times 1968, 1988 and 2008. This Minnow-Brook school is another school has raised some fundamental questions about the public administration, whether it has to what type of values we have. 1970s has given a different role, that is a public choice theory, public concept of a public choice has come. Along with that we had a postmodernism. Postmodernism basically it has started with a art and culture, later entered into various things including public administration. Then we talk of a globalization and public administration, particularly after 1991 this theory globalization has started. So on, it goes on and the saga journey of the public administration has continued with a different type of theories linking with psychology, humanism, human relations, sociology, social systems, management, motivation. Like this, a different type of subjects have related with public administration and merged with public administration and given a different type of a birth of a different type of theories.